Understanding worries about aging. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very human topic that touches us all at some point: worries about aging. Aging is a natural process, but it's often accompanied by a variety of concerns and emotions. By the end of this video, we hope to shed some light on what these worries entail and how they impact people's lives. So, let's get started. When we talk about worries about aging, we're referring to the fears and concerns people have as they get older. These worries can be about physical changes, health issues, financial security, loss of independence, and the fear of becoming irrelevant. Aging is a universal experience, but the way people worry about it can be deeply personal and influenced by cultural, societal, and individual factors. Physical and health concerns. One of the most immediate concerns as people age is the change in their physical capabilities and overall health. This includes worries about diseases such as Alzheimer's, heart conditions, and general mobility issues. The fear of losing physical independence is a significant part of this category. Financial security. Another major worry is about financial security in older age. Questions like, will my savings last? Or, what if I need long-term care? Are common. The concern here is about maintaining a comfortable standard of living without the steady income of employment. Social and emotional aspects. Aging can also bring worries about loneliness, losing loved ones, or feeling disconnected from younger generations. There's a fear of isolation and not being able to engage in meaningful social activities. Identity and purpose. Finally, many people worry about losing their sense of purpose after retirement. They fear that without their careers or family roles, they will struggle with questions of self-worth and identity. While these worries are valid, there are ways to manage and alleviate them. Planning for the future, both financially and health-wise, is crucial. Engaging in regular physical and mental exercise can help maintain health and cognitive functions. Building a strong social network and finding new hobbies or volunteer opportunities can provide a sense of purpose and community. Worries about aging are a natural part of life, but they don't have to overshadow our golden years. By understanding these concerns, planning ahead, and staying connected with our communities, we can face aging with optimism and grace. Remember, aging is not just about growing older. It's an opportunity to grow wiser and enjoy new experiences. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.